Now we will learn about inheritance and polymorphism. Let's take the example of this hatchback car and Lexus. Can I say Lexus is having all the features of this hatchback car and some extra features of its own? Yes, inheritance का मतलब होता है प्रीवियसली एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट के फीचर्स को बोरो करके नए फीचर्स डाल के एक नया प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट करना. दैट इज नथिंग बट inheritance. Let's take the example of iPhone 2. Let's assume this is iPhone 2. iPhone 2 is having all the features of iPhone 1 as well as some extra features of its own. Yes, this is nothing but inheritance. Borrowing all the features from previously existing products and adding some extra features to it. That is nothing but inheritance. Let's take the example of this normal television and this LCD television. Can I say this LCD television is having all the features of this television as well as some extra features of its own? Yes, this is nothing but inheritance. Whenever we borrow some previously existing features and we add some new extra features to it and we are creating a new product, that is nothing but inheritance. What about polymorphism? Polymorphism means grouping or referring multiple objects with a single name. Polymorphism means grouping of multiple objects with a single name. That is nothing but polymorphism. For example, Toyota car, Lexus, Suzuki. They are at the end car. Yes, we don't say it is a Toyota car, it is a Lexus car. We simply refer them with the word car. Polymorphism means referring multiple objects with a single common name. That is nothing but polymorphism. There is more two rules which we need to focus. One is specialization and generalization. Can I say iPhone 15 is a specialized version of iPhone 1? Yes, it is the specialized version of iPhone 1. It is the specialized version of iPhone 3, 14 and so on. Can I say this sedan is the specialized version of this hatchback car? Yes, inheritance is nothing but specialization. Here I am referring multiple objects with a common name. That is nothing but generalization. In polymorphism, we usually say polymorphism follows generalization.